Hello, Turtle here, and today we are playing, again, some more Slime Rancher. So, again, we're going for the daily ornament and rares. Off camera, I've collected more echoes, so I have like 30 reds now, but I'm going to try to go for 150 of each and 20 gold echoes, because gold's so rare. But, yeah, it's going pretty well. So, let's wait for this to load again, and then we can get right into the content of the video. Alright, so it's done loading, and as you see, I have 37 reds, 17 blues, and 9 greens. I have a lot of, and 3 golds. I have a lot of reds, because I put drills down. So I figured, why not? And so, also, something that I think they added, I'm not sure about, the bubble around the plorts when they're made looks different. Anyway, I'm going to throw these echoes down. The Christmas tree base. That looks cool. I like that teal color. Alright, so now that we've thrown these all down, let's go and collect some ornaments for today. Oh wait, I forgot to mention something. So off camera, you might have saw it, but off camera while I was collecting echoes, I opened a couple crates, and I got a second gold slime ornament. So I'm going to put this up here as like the tree topper, along with some gold echoes. But also we're probably going to get a new tree on the live stream video where we completely decorate the ranch. So let's see if there's any crates around here. Nope. Over this way. Possibly. Yeah, see, that looks different to me. I don't know why. I'll have to check, but it looks bubblier, if that's a word. Don't see any crates down there. Let's check over here again. No, I don't see any from here, so I'm not going to check. But over here, there could be a crate. Oh, I realized why there's no crates. We gotta go back home. You know, this will make it more efficient. We gotta wait to sleep so we get more crates. Alright, now we can head out. I know they're getting crazy, but I'll fix it later. This, I'll say, is the plort price growing time, where the plort prices grow. Oh, here's today's ornament. We have our lovely tabbies. So, any other crates over here? Oh. Any crates over there? I don't see any. So, I'll go over here and look for some crates. Crate. Nope. I don't see any crates. Anyway, also, if you guys see any crates, point them out in the comments. It'll be useful. Because I'm blind. No. Because I don't see that much. Use a crate. Because, I've learned that the viewers see a lot more than the player does. So, I think now, what was I doing? What was I doing? I forgot. Jeez. I was going to, I think after this, I'm gonna go explore the glass desert and the what's it called? The ancient ruins. But if there's a crate over here, that would be. Oh shoot! There's a tower over here. That's not good. And I don't see any crates. Let's just check over here because sometimes there's a crate, as I said in the last video. But other than after that, we'll teleport home and go to the glass desert. Also, we have 2 of the new ornament. So let's go. Yep, this is definitely time to let the prices go up, because if we look at the plort machine, we'll see that prices are all around 100, so that's pretty nice. I'm gonna collect my daily spiral steam from this, collecting it so we can make some echo nets. Ooh, lava dust. Alright, let's put these 3 out while we're here. I'm also thinking of putting some more drills up in the ancient ruins. Drills are a good way to get a ton of red ones for some reason. Anyway. Up here. Oh, it's kind of... I haven't seen crates here, so I was just thinking. I haven't looked that much, but I don't see any crates. Sometimes there's a crate in here, I think. Come on, come on, you can make poop. Crate. We're looking for a crate. Ow, jeez, no. Looking for a crate. Nope. Here we go, ancient water of life. Ooh, it's a rainbow. Anyway. Not too worried about this. Ooh, treasure pod. That's always useful. Let's see what's inside. Ruined desert column. Cool. Well, I think I don't see any crates around here. So we'll go to the, what's it called? The ancient ruins now. Because I think the glass desert is a bad place to find crates. So we got 3 tabbies. I'm hoping for 2 more. And a rare in this video. But I'm not sure. So let's go right to the teleporter that changes our scenery to nothing different, pretty much. Except it's no longer reddish. So I'm gonna put up some more drills and my new echo net that we crafted in slime science. So if we look out, oh yeah, there's some jelly or whatever that's called. Tech. We hit E. We put in our echo net. Perfect. Then, yeah, this is where the drills were. Novice drill. Perfect. Novice drill. Perfect. 4 spots in here, hopefully. Nope, only 3. Novice. Novice. and novice. I think that's enough. So, let's go and find some crates, I hope. Oh, one right off the bat. Alright. Now we just... Oh, a lucky ornament. Yes. We have a rare for today. Now we just need 2 tabbies. That's it. I don't know why I wanted to switch doors, but come on, there's gotta be something this way. Why is there Glass Desert music playing? That's weird. They have like the same music? That would be cool, I guess. Be careful. Alright, down here there could be a crate. This is... Sorry, my neighbor has a lot of dogs. Ooh, a phosphor. Cool. So I guess we're hoping for 6 of each, because we had 6 of the pinks. So that means we need 3 more. Oh, come on, dogs. Oh well, I'll just have to talk over them. Over this way, we have... No crate, dang. Over this way, we have... Ooh, green blue echo. That's cool. Ooh, crate. I like crates. Ooh, and a phosphor. I don't need a blue echo, I think. No, actually, I have more greens. I don't need greens. And we have a lot of stuff to do with the blues. Anyway, let's open this. We have our lucky ornament. So let's go this way and try to find our next crate. Now we just need 2 more. So 2 to 3 crates. I think we can do that. Shoot, that was close. Ooh, a treasure pod. Always like my treasure pods. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, phew. I've gotten 2 pillars today. Huh. That's great. I guess they must think I like pillars. Which I don't that much. But okay, whatever. Come on. 2 more. Just 2 more. You can do this. Just 2 more crates. There's gotta be 2 more in here. Just shoot. No, don't want to throw you. I'd rather throw the blue echo. Oh wait, we found 2 now. So I guess we're still going for 6, but if we find 7, that's always good. I'm thinking after this we'll go right back to the moss blanket. Because that's the area we did first. So I checked out all the other areas, and I checked this out the other day, so there's gotta be some more in the moss blanket. Although I do hope we can find 2 more crates before we go to the moss blanket, because I don't really want to go to the moss blanket. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing like snow with the blue ones. I don't know if anyone's come up with that idea yet, but that would be cool. No. Okay, let's go to the moss blanket then. Just 2 more crates and then we'll go. and decorate our door frame and tree. So now all we need is a tar ornament and the other daily ornaments, 6 of them. And we're good. So, if we come down here, there's gotta be crates. No. Ooh. Nope, no crates. Wait. No crates, just tabby. Alright, so, if we look up, there's, oh, crate. Ooh, another lucky. Man, I am having some good luck today. Wait. No, that's a nest. I'm having some good luck today. I'm finding all these luckies. Anyway, this way, and gotta find another crate. We still need 2 more crates. Ooh, here's one. Please don't be a rare. Oh, finally. See, look, the bubble. Oh, dang it. I didn't have time to show you. Alright. I think I'm gonna try to fly here, and then fly there, and then fly there. Oh no. Okay, I'm good. No! No! Ah! No! We had so many. Oh well. At least I guess that means there's more crates. Well, now I gotta find another lucky. Alright, we need 3 tabbies and a lucky. Oh, ooh. Plort, throw a plort. No! Come back here, you little... Ah! Oh, I missed. I was hoping that would work. So mad at myself. Okay. Just 3 more tabbies. This might be a longer video than I thought. Alright. Shoot. Come on, don't die this time. Come on, are there like no crates in this area? What's up with that? Okay. Is this a potato? Buzzwax. It looks like a potato. And drop. Nope, I don't see any. So, ow! Interrupting spikes. Anyway, let's head back. I think no. Oh, here it is. I don't think there's any crates here. So we'll go back to the wherever this place is, and look for 2 more crates. So if we go past the magical crystal cluster and the way too happy pink rock largo, we'll come to the area where feral slimes come out. And then we go this way. Through our tunnel. Of all tunnels. and we'll go through this path. Because, why not? Anyway, let's, go up here, maybe? There's gotta be something up here, right? Let's go up here. Let's find a, crate. Come on. Crate. No, no crate. No crate. No crate. I'm not seeing any, so I think we're gonna end the video here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!